Hi viewers and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about shapes, and I've got a bunch of them. Now you might be working on a project and wondering what kind of shapes that you're dealing with. We're going to find out soon. All right, let's get going. Circle, circle, cone, cone, cube, cube, rhombus, rhombus, crescent, crescent, kite, kite, nonagon, nonagon, hexagon, hexagon, cylinder, cylinder, heptagon, heptagon, sphere, sphere, decagon, decagon, oval, oval, square, square, cross, cross, octagon, octagon, pentagon, pentagon. Now you might hear some people say pentagon, pentagon. Parallelogram, parallelogram, trapezium, trapezium, hexagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, prism, prism, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, cuboid, cuboid, pyramid, pyramid, trapezoid, trapezoid. All right, thanks for watching. It's Unveiled. I'll talk to you soon.